Listen to the birds. There's a little olive tree I got. A ghost plant. This ghost plant is beautiful. It's right above. It's this huge old stone planter. It's got a wandering Jew plant in there. And then this ghost plant. Just beautiful. That's an olive tree. And we've got our girl in the bath with her sponge fountain here. And all these wild geraniums. Down here I've got this jasmine that's starting to bloom like crazy, so hopefully that'll come all the way up this wall with this avocado tree that goes all the way up there to the window. And that one, and that purple is a garlic vine. Garlic vine and crossvine and bougainvillea, of course, and night blooming jasmine in there. Yeah, just gorgeous. Look at these pots. All kinds of stuff going here. Yeah. Birds are going crazy today, though. They have a nest in here. Pretty sure they have nests in here. Pretty amazing. I'd have a nest in there.